Hello friends, Nips Cafe welcomes you all to yet another episode of tutorials for MYO Nips kit. And today's preparation would be the bruschetta. So what I'll be doing is I'll be unboxing this particular MYO Nips kit for bruschetta and will be showing you the preparation also. So we'll get rid of this paper bag first. So here we have the kit which will be delivered to you like this only. We have one sanitizer placed on top. You need to just sanitize your hands before unboxing. So this is how the kit's gonna come to you. We'll be having one napkin. There will be one pictorial representation of this preparation. There will be method of preparation. Those who like to have a video tutorial, they need to just scan this QR. Some fresh cut tomatoes, some chopped onions, some mushrooms, 3 color peppers, some pizza seasoning, chopped garlic, freshly chopped basil, some olives, and olive oil. And there would be seasoning, chili flakes and ketchup, and there would be a loaf, a French loaf, which you need to cut according to your. We will be doing the traditional bruschetta. In goes the tomatoes, some garlic, some chopped basil, olive oil, pinch of salt, and some freshly cut crushed peppercorns. You will just give it a thorough mix. I just keep my slices into the oven and I shall be toasting them in a convection mode at 170 degree for about 3 minutes. We just need to toast them. We just need to reduce the moisture so that they can turn to be a bit crispy. Meanwhile, I'll just do one more topping. In goes half of the onion. In goes the mushroom. Bit of pizza seasoning. Salt, crushed peppercorns, bit of olive oil. Mix them all thoroughly. So this is the second topping, which is mushrooms and onions with some pizza seasoning for flavoring, a drizzle of olive oil and seasoning. So guys, exactly after 4 minutes, you can see these have turned into a crispy slice of bread. You need to toast them. You can always toast them on basic our household tawa also. You just need to get this golden brown color and gradually you can lay the toppings on top, so that way it will retain its crispiness and it would be crunchier throughout the end. Meanwhile, we will just finish off with our third and last topping. We will get some chopped 3 peppers, some chopped onion, pizza seasoning, salt, pepper, a drizzle of olive oil. You just need to mix them up. This way, all 3 of the toppings are ready. Now I'll be showing you how to get them baked further. Take one of the slices and gradually top it up with cheese. Be generous, no need to be shy on this. You can always use as much as you like. And top it up with the. So guys, this is how it's gonna look after the topping. The base, which is toasted, up goes the cheese blend and the topping. This is to go into the convection oven and until the cheese is melt. The second topping, place the cheese on top. And finish it off with some mushroom and onion toppings. The third preparation is ready to go. You don't need to cook it any further. So we'll just finish it by placing the traditional bruschetta topping on this. And this is good to go. So I'll keep this aside and we'll keep these two into the convection oven and we'll bake it at 200 degrees. This needs to be baked in convection mode at about 200 degrees centigrade for about 3 to 5 minutes. Based on your equipment, this temperature may vary. You need to just keep a check on this, and you have to take a look at regular intervals so that the cheese is melt. The purpose here is just to get the cheese melted. Rest all the toppings and all the flavors are intact there. So you just need to keep a check on this, whether it's done or not. At that particular moment you can take it out and the bruschetta is ready to be served as such. So guys, do stay tuned in for more recipes. Do follow the link provided with this video to place your orders, and keep safe at home. Do well guys. Thank you.